Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to type fraction 1/2 in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Simply open the Microsoft Word and here you can see the option of Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Now here you can see the option of Equation. Click on Equation. Now here you can see the option of Fraction. Click on Fraction. Select the fraction which you want. So I'm going to select this. So to type in fraction, so you have to simply click on boxes. So here type any number which you want, like 1/2. So here you can see we have added the equation 1/2. So you can also type the fraction by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.